Hey guys, what is up? It is Ava, and today I'm going to be doing another slime skimmer video. So yeah, let's just get right on to the video. Ooh, a slime mortar. Let's get right onto this little slime mortar. Okay, first I want an mac and cheese slime. Ooh. Ew. Well, this is yellow. Oh no, this is my mac and cheese slime. That it's so sticky that the mac and cheese in it like melted. Get out of the bowl. And she wants real mac and cheese in it, and she wants it not to be sticky. She wants a 12 ounce. She wants all of her slimes to be 12 ounce. So I'm just going to give her this 4 ounce. Pretty sticky. Ew. But so sticky. And it really sticks to your clothes. So we'll just give her that. Okay. Next, she wants a cake batter. No, I like that cake batter. No, I like that cake batter. So I actually have lots of cake batters in a separate bin over there. I'm not going to bring it because it's really heavy. But I like all of my cake batters. So, I don't. Oh, this one looks kind of bad. It's I think this is my bad one that I like, my only bad one. But I made it and then I didn't have any foam beads, so I just used green sprinkles, and the color is more of a tannish pink. I'm trying to it's so sticky though. I don't want to touch it. And the lid is really defected. It's fine. It's just a freaking lid. Okay, next she wants a Pretty Pink Princesses, 6 different glitters. Pink glitter, purple glitter, blue glitter, red glitter, and green glitter. Let's look at my Pretty Pink Princesses. These are that one, pink, oh here, Pretty Pink Princesses. This one looks like I don't like it. On the bottom, there's some green stuff. Ew, that's a moth. There's a dead moth in here. Ew, there's a dead moth in here. It doesn't have glitter or anything, but there's a dead moth. Okay, next I want an ocean blue, no sequins, and blue foam beads. But they don't want a floating one, they want a butter. Let's see this one. So this one has lots of sequins in it. It's not shitty, really hard. She won't mind. And it's like a 3 ounce, and she ordered 12 ounce, but won't mind. Next, she wants a lavender. I have this 6 ounce lavender. I hate it. The lavender smell is so bad. It's so strong too. It's so like greasy and oily. I put way too much baby oil. Yeah, baby oil. Ooh, I am tired. Okay, I think let's see. That is all they ordered, so let's get ready to ship it. Hey guys, it is Amelia. And today I just got a slime order. And you know, my Slimers are like, become one of the Amanda fans, and go subscribe because I post slime videos every single day. So today I'm doing a review on crazy slimes. So yeah, let's just get out with the video. Okay, so I already took my sons out. It doesn't look like they gave me any extras, so that is a the first thing. But and then I see the Geo, which is $500. I don't know, but okay. And then it says 3% says no extras, no refunds, do not call back. So kind of suspicious, but I don't mind. Okay, now we're just gonna pull one out. This must be my cream cheese. I don't see any plastic macaronis in it. But let's just get right on to, because it's probably in the middle. Okay. So this is so sticky. It's kind of stretchy. I just added lotion. I cut that out, but I added like so many lotion. But I just squirted it in there, and I'm mixing it in right now. And when I'm starting to feel this, I realize it doesn't have any, it's not a 12 ounce. That's one thing I see. And none of these looks like 12 ounces. So yeah, and this is so sticky, like literally so sticky in the container. And it's a leaky slime, and I could feel, oh no. Oh, that smells like puke. No joke, that smells like puke. Watch. So, I think what she did is she had dry noodles in there, and then they just went in, because that's the smell. I did that once. That is the exact smell. But it's really foamy. I don't really like foams. I love they're foam beads. But I don't mind. This is so freaking sticky. Okay, next one I pull out is this one. I think this is my lavender. By the color, it looks, oh, that's greasy. Really greasy. That lavender is strong. It is not pokey. All the air and all the air out of it is gone. It's not stretchy. And the smell of lavender is so strong. So strong. So, yeah. I'll rate this one a 3. But I'm starting to think I got scammed. So, yeah. Okay, next I pull out is my cake batter. I see some, this is so freaking, it's not stretchy. There's no glitter in it, and oh my god, guys, there is a dead moth in there. There is a dead moth. I don't want to touch this. I don't want to touch this. I don't want to touch this. And its body is I'll rate that one a 10 in a million negative. Oh. Okay, next is this one. I think this is my ocean one. Really sticky. No, she put sequins in it, and I hate sequins. Okay, guys, I totally got scammed. It's not stretchy. It's okay. The last one is my Pretty Pink Princess, and of course, not stretchy. It doesn't have glitter or anything, and it's really overactivated. I could feel it, and it's really hard. So yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching. Never buy from crazy slimes again. I am so mad right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that skit. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And comment down below, have you ever got scammed before? I love y'all so much. And yeah, bye. Mwah.